Hello, my wonderful students. Today, what I want to do is I want to show you step by step how to insert an audio sound file onto your Google Slide. Um, you'll notice the slide I have in front of me gives you the instructions. This is slide number 14 in our Google Slide Scavenger Hunt Challenge project. So first you want to insert a picture of a dog. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. And on another tutorial, I've shown you how to insert images, so we're not going to focus on that. But now you want to find an audio sound file on the internet. So there are many websites that you can use to find those types of files. I'm going to focus only on the website soundbible.com because it's so easy to use. The file formats you will be downloading will be either a .mp3 format. That means that the end of the file name ends in that ending, or WAV file format. So MP3 format or WAV format, either file format is compatible with Google Slides. Okay, so first we're going to actually go to that website. And you can see this is a website. And the reason why, besides the fact that this website is easy to use, the other reason that I'm recommending this to my students is that all of these sounds are free to use. You don't have to worry about copyright infringement. You don't have to worry about getting permission from the person that created the audio file. You can use it. So then in this search field, what we would do is we would look for a barking dog, or dog barking. Maybe I'll do that, dog barking. And then you click on the search. And let's see what we come up with. So once you do that search, whatever the type of sound is, if you make, by the way, if you're searching for something that's too specific, then it might come up with no search results. So you have to make the search terms a little bit more generic, so it's easier to find. So anyway, you go to, here are my results. Now, when I want to listen to the sounds, I can click on these little, okay. And once I listen to the sounds, that helps me to decide which one I want. And I think I'm going to look at the puppy barking. I think I like that. Now, notice it says for personal use only. So that means that what that means is you could not use this sound if you were trying to develop something to make money from it. You can't use it for business purposes. You can't use it to try to sell products. You can only use it for your own use, which of course we are, because it's for school use. So now I click on the link to actually go to where this audio sound is located, now that I've decided I'd like to use it. Ignore this. This is an ad. Do not click on that. I'm going to actually get out of it. We keep going down the website, and now you can see where it says puppy dog barking sound. Again, ignore these pop-up ads. We don't want those. And this tells you what it's about, how big it is, etc. Now, what I want you to notice is over here, you see the WAV, the WAV format, you see the MP3. You can download either file. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to click on this to download it. And what happens is when you click on the file to download it, if you're on a PC, laptop, or computer, it automatically puts it in your download folder. And it's very important to know exactly where that file is because you need to upload that to your Google Drive. So now I'm going to go over to my Google Drive, go to another tab, and I'm going to go to, oops, that's not what I want. And I'm going to go, oops. Okay, hold on a minute here. Okay, so I want to go to my Google Drive. Okay, so I'm in my Google Drive and I need to upload that audio file that I just downloaded from the Sound Bible website. So I need to go to click on New File Upload, and I need to find that file. Now it's not on my desktop because it automatically went to my download folder. So I have to go to my downloads, and sure enough, there it is. Puppy dog barking sound from Sound Bible and the today's date. So I'm going to click on Open. Let's try that again. File upload. And go to my downloads, puppy barking, open. There we go. Update existing, that's fine. Okay, so it uploaded the file. I can see it there in my Google Drive. Now that I'm in, I've already done it here, but I'm going to do it again for you guys. So I'm going to insert, and I need to go to audio, which is right here. And then here, sure enough, is the puppy dog barking. I click on that. I click on select, and there it is. Okay. You can change some of the things here, but I would recommend just leaving it the way it is. You can move this around so it goes to the spot you want it to be in. I'm not going to keep that here since I already have it. So I'm just going to delete that. But that's all you have to do. And we're going to